Welcome, explorers. Today we're traveling across Australia's incredible biomes. Each one has its own special climate, plants, and animals. Look closely and see if you can spot the hidden creatures in each place. Australia's coral reefs are colorful underwater worlds in warm, shallow seas. They're home to thousands of species. Can you spot the clownfish hiding in coral, the gliding turtle, and the sneaky reef shark? Grasslands are wide, open areas with few trees, where animals can see for long distances. Can you find the wallaby hopping through the grass, the flocks of budgerigars flying above, and the echidna shuffling along? Temperate forests are cooler and get plenty of rain. With tall gum trees and mountain ash, many unique animals live here. Can you see the koala in the gum tree, the platypus in the stream, and the towering mountain ash trees? Tropical rainforests are hot, wet, and filled with thick, green plants. They're some of the most biodiverse places in Australia. Can you find the bright cassowary, the green tree frog, and the tall fan palms? Savannas are open grassy areas with scattered trees. Found in northern Australia, they're home to both hunters and grazers. Can you spot the kangaroo mob, the soaring wedge-tailed eagle, and the wild dingo? Australia's deserts are hot, dry places with red sand and little water. Life here is tough, but some animals are built to survive. Can you spot the thorny devil lizard, the fast-running emu? Amazing spotting! You explored coral reefs, grasslands, temperate forests, and deserts, each with its own climate, plants, and animals. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time, mates.